Hey everyone, this is Tim. Here I have the Kurdene headset that I bought off Amazon. This one is kind of like maybe intermediate in terms of just quality. It's not quite a low-end headset, kind of like one of these I bought. The case is somewhat nice. You can see there's a light and the USB-C. Now the difference between these earbuds is they're more like a headphone kind of style where they wrap around your ear. So these would probably be better if you're going to be moving a lot, running. Maybe if you're delivering mail or something like that, it'll stay connected to your head a little bit better than just simple earbuds. So I got like the JBL. So these could quite, these might fall out on you. So better for probably more active sports, I think. So yeah, take a look at them. They sound okay. Don't expect great music quality. The bass is kind of a little bit more flat. You might want to go ahead and get something like this JBL. You want a little bit better music quality without spending too much money.